And this is the southern ground hornbill. It's among of endangered species here in the African continent, because in a particular part of the African continent, people they kill. There is two races of cranes, gray-crowned crane and black-crowned crane. At the only gray-crowned crane, they are all over the East Africa, but black crane only in some part of Uganda and Kenya, especially in a northern part of both the country, I mean Uganda and Kenya. But in general, the habit of this bird always they appear in pair, family group, and larger flock are widespread, common in a wide range wet habitat, include swamps. Animal history, agricultural lands. Any interesting fact of a gray-crowned crane, they are Ugandan national symbol because of their beauty and never get tired of seeing them.